Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Determinants. Okay. So now here, with the help of the determinants of the matrix is nothing but, in this chapter we are going to learn representing the linear equation in a matrix form. If the one linear equation is given to you, and how do we write in the matrix form, that we are going to learn, and solving the linear equation. How do we solve the linear equations in 2 variables and 3 variables? When the 3 equations, whenever it is given to you also, you can solve using the linear equations using the matrices. So now before going to learn the basic things, you need to learn here in this chapter determinants of the matrix 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. What is meant by determinant? And with the help of the determinants, you can find out here inverse of the matrix. With the help of the determinants, when you learn how do we find out the determinant, with the help of the determinants and some more adjacent adjoint matrix and other matrices will be there. With all that, you can clearly find out the inverse of the matrix. Matrix inverse, how do we find the inverse of the matrix? Using the elementary row transformations. In the previous class we have learned elementary row transformations. So now finding the inverse of the matrix, with the help of the inverse of the matrix, and different methods will be there actually to find the solution of the linear equation. Actually there will be a different method, matrix inversion method and Gauss-Jordan method, like that different methods will be there. But here in your class it is discussed only one method. So now here first thing is determinant. What is meant by a determinant of the matrix? Determinant of the matrix is nothing but, if A is the any square matrix, if A is the any square matrix, and for the square matrix a number will be allotted to, that the determinant of the matrix is denoted by A is the any matrix. If you consider the determinant of this matrix, suppose here for the different matrices, different order of the matrices, whenever you take into consider, finding the determinant of the matrix will be in a different ways. Okay, usually for all the matrices it is same way. The thing is that any matrix if you are taking, determinant finding is the same way, but here second order matrix determinant is the easiest way you can find out. As it looks smaller matrix, then you can, and determinant will exist only for the square matrix. Do remember this. So we can find out the determinant of matrix only for the square matrices. So that's why A is of any square matrix, and determinant is nothing but, the definition is nothing but, a number will be given to it. It's actually whenever a number will be given to some particular matrix, and that number is called as the determinant of the matrix. And that how do we write? Let us see here. A is the any square matrix of order. Okay, and the square matrix. Let us consider the order of this square matrix as A, B, 2 by 2 matrix. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So now here, for this matrix, whenever you take into consider, the determinants of the matrix is represented in the between the 2 lines, not modulus this one. You are not supposed to read it as a modulus. You need to read it as a determinant only. Or you can write as DET, that in the bracket A. Determinants of the matrix A. So which is equals to, so when you write that matrix instead of the bracket in between these 2 lines, it also shows to us determinant. And the 2 by 2 matrix, whenever you take into consider, the product of these 2 minus the product of these 2, AD minus AC. Determinant of the matrix can be a negative also. Do remember, most of the students have a negative concept that ये दोनों का symbol देखते हैं ना, वो modulus दिमाग में आ जाते हैं. So most of the students will get into the mind that this is modulus. It should be always positive. It's not mandatory that it should be a positive. Okay, so it can be a negative also. This is the way of finding the determinant of the matrix 2 by 2 matrix. And let us go further. How do we find out the 3 by 3 matrix or any other matrix, 4 by 4 matrix also, determinants to find out? The procedure is same here now. So now A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix. So the order of this matrix, whenever you take into consider, this matrix order can be taken into consider. So this element minus 1 to the power of sum of the suffixes of that particular element. So you can find out the determinant of the matrix either using the first row or using the second row or using the third row or using the first column, second column, third column. Any one can be taken into consider. So here I am taking into consider the first row. So whenever I take the first row, minus 1 to the power of sum of the two suffixes. Suffixes means नीचे लिख रहे हैं ना 2 numbers. तो वो दोनों का sum. What do you get? 1 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 into A11. A11 into, by deleting this row and column, the matrix whatever you will get, its determinant. A12, A23, A32, A33. See here, this row and this column is deleted. So when it is deleted, the matrix obtained is A22, 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 23, 32, 33. Okay, plus minus 1 to the power of. We are expanding along the first row. I am taking first row into consideration. If you take the first row into the consideration, or second row, or third row, or first column, second column, or third column, any one into the consideration, then you are going to get the determinant same. So through the example, let us see very clearly. But before that, this representation also you need to know. Minus 1 to the power of position. What are the suffixes we are having here? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are suffixes. 1 plus 2 minus 1 to the power. And that particular place element, A12. And when that row, the element containing row and column deleted, means this element containing row is first row. The element containing column is first column, second column. So these two, imagine that deleted. And what are the elements are left over? A21. And another element is A23, A31, A3. Okay? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here, this one, plus minus 1 to the power of first row, third column. I am expanding this one along the first row. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 and A13, row and column. This row and this column delete. And what the matrix you are going to get, that matrix determinant. A21, A22, A31, A32. So whatever the number you will get for this, that number is called as determinant of this particular matrix. And that number you will get the same number even if you do expand it along the second row or along the any row or along the any column. We are expanded this one along the, even if you see that, how do we get the 2 by 2 matrix determinant? This also you will get in the same way. See here, whenever you take into consider, same process you need to follow. Same process. And determinant of the single element matrix. If you take the single element, 1 by 1 matrix, here 5 is there. Its determinant will be equals to that 5 itself. Suppose if it contains the minus 5. So determinant of the matrix of order 1 by 1, it contains the element minus 5, will be equals to minus 5. 1 by 1 matrix, whatever the number is there, that only you are going to get. So it's a determinant. So see here also, This place is what? First row, first column. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 2. Minus 1 to the power of 2 is nothing but plus 1. Okay, plus here you will get plus 1. So that's adding element A into determinant of this row and this column deleted means D. Determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting that row and the particular column. So D. So what is the determinant of the matrix D? D only. So that's why A into D. Why do you get plus actually? Plus. Actually plus है ना? Minus 1 to the power of this place element. What is that place? First row, second column. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 is nothing but minus 1. So you will get here minus 1. And that place element into A row, A column delete row. Then what do you get? C you will get. So AD minus BC. Why do we get this one as AD minus BC means? Same procedure you need to take it. Even if you take 4 by 4 matrix also, 4 by 4 matrix also, determinant you are going to get. But every row, every element should be multiplied by that row and column. By deleting that row and column, whatever the new matrix you will get, its determinant should be multiplied. 4 by 4 matrix will area to either 3 by 3 matrix, either 3 by 3 matrix, either 3 by 3 matrix, one more 3 by 3 matrix you will get. 4 times 3 by 3 matrix you will get. And each 3 by 3 matrix determinants again you need to find out in this process. So 4 by 4 matrix determinant finding is lengthy, but you can find out. Suppose this will be equal column wise if you take. If I want to expand it along the column, if I want to expand it along the column की थ्रू एक्सपैंड करना है तो माइनस 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, माइनस 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, ये 1 1, ये कॉलम, तो ये रो एंड कॉलम डिलीट करो. फर्स्ट वन इज सेम, A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay, next plus minus 1 to the power of second row first column. This one I am taking into consideration. Second row first column, so 2 plus 1, and that place element A21. This row and this column delete karo. This row and this column delete karo. What do you get here? A12, A13, A32, A33. Isn't it? See here. Second row first column. This second row first column element. This row and this column delete. Imagine this is deleted. So this one, this one, this one, this one is left out. That 4 elements taken and whose determinant is 1. Next, minus 1. I am taking the column, first column element is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1. A 3 1. Third row and first column delete. Third row and first column delete. So what do you get here? A12, A12, A13, A22, A2. Okay. So this one and this one, both you will get the same answer. So this is a way to find out the determinant of the any 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, and 1 by 1 matrix, even 4 by 4 matrix also, if it is given. So in this way you can find out the determinant. So let us see some exercise problems based on the determinant. How do we find out the determinants of the? You can expand it by the row 1 or any row, any column to find out the determinants of the matrix. Okay. So whenever the question is given to you, if any question contains to you 4.1 exercise, did you understand? How do we find out the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix? Whether everyone is present? Glory?
Yes, sir.
Glory. Yes, sir. Otherwise, you kept the phone and you did not go anywhere, na? Ankur?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Everyone understood now? How do we find the determinant of the matrix?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let us see the example problem. So that exercise problem. How do we find out the determinant of the matrix? 4.1 exercise. Today let us complete the 4.1 exercise, and in the next class, tomorrow's class, we will go for the properties. That is very, very important, and different types of the problems will be there based on the properties. They are only the very, very important problems for your examination point of view. This exercise is just for the 1 or 2 marks questions will be asked to you. Okay, that doesn't matter here. So evaluate the determinant of the exercises 1 and 2. Exercise 4.1. So first problem is very simple. Directly you can find the 2 by 2 matrix which is given here. In the second problem, it is given to you the elements of the matrix as the algebraic expression. Polynomials it is given to you. So whatever it may be is given to you, then you should be ready to do it. X square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. So this is a matrix is given to you. Already it is given to you in the determinant. So this is, what is this one? This is not a matrix. It is a some value. Suppose if it is given already inside the between the two lines, the 4 numbers or 9 numbers, means 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. If it is given between the two lines, it means it is not a matrix. It is a determinant of the matrix. That means it may be a number. It represents the one function. And here you are going to get the one function. So what to do here? These two you have to multiply. X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Next, minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. So what is this form you can identify? Can you identify? What is the form of this one? Are you able to identify? Normally you are not supposed to multiply. This is in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equals to. Can anyone tell? What is this form? A plus b into a square minus ab. See here, a place में x है, b place में 1 है. A square बोले तो x square minus ab बोले तो x into 1, x plus 1 square बोले तो 1. So this is exactly in this form. But what is this one? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to?
A cube minus B cube.
A cube plus b cube, not minus. See here, इधर प्लस होता है तो प्लस आएगा. A cube plus b cube. सपोज माइनस बोला है ना, इधर माइनस होगा, इधर प्लस होगा. A square plus ab plus b square. This is equals to a cube minus b cube. Okay, very good, Ankur. Good response given. Ankur only gave ना? कौन किया? Okay, at least you remember something here. A cube plus b cube. So this can be written as x cube plus 1 minus that one a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. But brackets में लिखना a square minus b square. So you are going to get x cube plus 1 minus x square plus 1, which is equals to x cube minus x square plus 2. This is a determinant of the matrix we get here. Okay. So next, here the question is given to you. Third question, determinant of the 2a is equals to 4 into determinant of the a. So here, see here, whenever you see that based on this, every time the question is asked to you, normally, whenever it is the question is given to you, if A is the NA of 2 by 2 matrix, do remember that. This is actually, question is proving is very simple, but every time this question is asked to you in a different way. In something different way, the question is asked to you. Suppose if the question is given to you, third problem, let us see here. Okay, fourth one. Because 2 by 2 matrix determinant easily you can find out. The fourth problem, let us see here. So what is the question given to you? A is equals to 1, 0, 1. Fourth question. Matrix A is equals to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0 1 2 0 0 4 0 0 4. Usually the students will do the to see the every time whenever the problem is given to you, every time the students will do the problem finding the determinant of this matrix means first row they will take always, but it is not necessary to take the first row. Do remember that the easiest way to find the determinant of the matrix is the row or a column which contains the maximum number of zeros. Because 0, if you are having in that row or column, 0 into something if you take into consider. 0 into something 0 ho jayega. So easy. So suppose if you take here, expand along third row use करके expand करो. So it is an easy task to you. So determinant of the matrix means this one 0 into minus 1 to the power of position whatever it may be 0 हो जाएगा. ये इधर भी plus 0 हो जाएगा. Plus 4 minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 third row third column element 4 into determinant of the matrix is by deleting this one 1 0 0 1. So what do you get here? This is equals to minus 1 to the power of 6. 4 into determinant of this matrix is equals to. So the determinant is 4. Determinant of the matrix. If you want to find the determinant of this matrix by expanding along the third column. Shall we check it? Check करते हैं. Okay. Third column ले लो because no zero contains. Third column लो. तो ये इधर minus 1 to the power of इसका position क्या है? First row third column positive. Minus 1 to the power of first row third column 1 into determinant of the matrix by deleting 0 1 0 0. See here I am expanded along the third row. Here I am expanding along the third column. Both we should get the same. Whether you expand it along the third row or along the third column, you will get the same answer. You should get the same answer. Okay. So now here, okay, plus minus 1 to the power of, what is the position of this one? Second row, third column. So 2 plus 3. And the place is 2. Delete this and this. 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 0. Plus minus 1 to the power of third row, third column. Third row, third column. The place 4 into this row and this column. 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Now if you see that, what do you get this one? Minus 1 to the power of 4. Plus what? Into 1 1. But this is 0 minus 1. 0 minus 0. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो 0. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो 0. तो ये completely 0 minus 0 0 हो जाएगा. Plus minus 1 to the power of 5. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2. और ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो 0 minus 0. ये ब्रैकेट में 0 हो जाएगा. 0 into minus to 0. Then this one 4. And this matrix we are going to get. So this is equal to this one 0, this one 0, this one 4. Again 4. The determinant of this matrix is 4. Determinant is 4. Whatever it may be the row you choose, whatever it may be the column you choose, along that row or particular column, if you expand it, you will get the determinant of that matrix is equal to 6. But in this question, what is asking to you? This determinant 3a, it is asking to you to prove that determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into determinant of a. So determinant of the 3a, a is this one. A, this one means what do you get 3a? Every element should be multiplied by 3. Every element should be multiplied by 3. So what do you get here? 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 3 multiplied 12. Okay. Now what you have to do? Determinant of 3a. Same better you use the third row. Third row में use कर ले तो ये दोनों 0 है. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, 6. तो positive हो जाएगा 12. Determinant बोले तो 3 0 0 3. So which is equals to 12 into 3 3 is 9. 12 9 का
108.
हाँ 108. So now here if you see that this one you multiply 27 into determinant of the matrix A. 27 into determinant of the matrix A will be is equals to 27 into 4. 27 4 also 108. This is also 108. So here you need to observe one thing. If A is of order 4 by 4 matrix, A is of order 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, any matrix of order. Okay, let us go further. A is of order 2 by 2 matrix, and you know that the determinant of the matrix A is equals to some 5. Then can you say that what is the determinant of the 2A? Determinant of the 2A is nothing but 2 square into determinant of matrix A. If A is of order 2 by 2, then this one. Okay, if you are taking here whatever if you multiply that particular element by the 3. Okay, if you are multiplying that particular element by the 3 and power 3 you are going to get. Suppose you imagine that if you multiply the every element by the 4 here 3 है asking 4 multiply कर लिया. Let us assume that you multiplied by the 4 here. So what do you get here? Here 4 आ जाएगा, इधर 4 आ जाएगा, इधर 16 आ जाएगा. That means yes, again you are going to take the here 4 and ये 4 and 4 multiply करें. 4 का power 3 extra आते हैं. In every determinant power of 3. So depending upon, suppose matrix A order determinant is K. Matrix A determinant is some K or some number if it is given to you. Some number if it is given to you. K if it is K take. And if you multiply this matrix by any other non-zero element, suppose 5 multiply करते हैं. 5 ये क्या है बोल के पूछ दिया. And if you know the order of the matrix, if order of the matrix is 2, 5 square into determinant of the question. If the order of the matrix is 3, 5 cube into determinant of the matrix A. If the order of the matrix is 4, 5 power 4 into determinant of the matrix A. So do remember this. It is not asked to you in this, but every time this question is for the 1 mark usually will be asked. It's a very interesting question. Every year based on this something concept is this one only, but based on this concept only every year the question is asked to you in different ways. In different ways the question is asked. Maybe the format is changed. They may ask the matrix A is equals to some number 5 they will give it. Then A is of order. If A is 3 by 3 matrix, okay, then determinants of KA. Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell that question? A is the determinant of the matrix A is 5 and A is 3 by 3 matrix. The determinants of KA.
5K cube.
5K cube. Very good. K cube into usually determinant of the matrix A you will get. Determinant of the matrix A 5 बोला है. So either 5 into 5. 5K cube आ जाएगा. So this like this is the one model I have given to you. Like this the questions will be asked to you in different ways based on this concept only. Okay. So now here how do we evaluate determinants of the matrix 3 by 3 matrix also you have learned, and let us go for the next one more problem based on 3 by 3 matrix little bit. Sixth problem you take 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 determinants of the matrix 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 5 4 minus 9 5 4 minus. Now here there are no zeros. Either you can take the first row, second row, or any row. If I take by the first row, you take the another row and you try it. Don't take the as it is. Don't copy this problem as it is. Okay. So now what here? I am taking first row. So it is not necessary every time to write here. This place minus 1 to the power of that one, it is not necessary every time. When you take this one, this is plus minus इधर इसको plus आ जाएगा, because position if you see that you will get here minus, you will get this one plus minus plus. Okay, so if I take this one plus here minus here plus here, if I take this one minus plus minus, because the position is saying very clearly. So I will take the first row. 1 determinant of the 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9. Minus 1. Directly minus I am writing. Because here minus is not there. You are going to get the minus. Because minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. So minus 1 into ये row, the column delete करो. What do you get? 2 minus 3. Anyone ask you say? Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Not audible. Anurag, Ankur, Glory, Abhishek, Subhankar, Santam, Mohanta, and Debalina. Glory.
Yes, sir.
What do you get here? Other two elements.
So actually, I can't see the left side one.
Not visible to you for anyone.
It's too much in the corner.
Huh?
Yes, sir, and for me too. It's quite corner.
What is it? Blur?
No,
It's
not
a
blur.
blur, but it is in the corner, so you
Deblina?
cannot see the side
You
portion.
are saying something, but I am not audible. You are not audible.
Sir, it is quite in the corner, so we cannot see the side
My
portion.
network is very clear. Okay, Anurag. Yes, sir. Sir, you are. Can you hear or not? Please, anyone reply. I can't hear you. अंकुर लिखा है 5 and minus 9. सही है. Very good. 5 and minus 9. Good. Okay, I think you people, what you are saying, it is not audible to me clearly. So 5 and minus 9. So procedure you understood na? 5 and minus 9. Next minus 2 into this row and column delete karo. 2, 1, 5, 4. So determinants of the matrix is easy task to do it. So now what to do here? Do remember that, and most of the students will do a small mistake. Although it is a very simple thing, and most of the students, common mistake done by most of the students is, first these two you have to multiply, next these two. But in a hurry, in a tension, when you sit in the examination hall, although you know everything, and most of the students will be in a confusion, will forget, and they will multiply these two first and next these. Because I have seen on the paper. I have seen on the paper while evaluating, even in the board examination. So please be, I am stressing here, please be careful that when you are finding in this way, this is a process. Do remember. Wrong. So इधर से start करना है, इधर से इधर जाना है, multiply करके, and from here to here again minus. This into this minus 9 minus, and one more mistake they will do. Minus will be there in the usually formula, and these two multiplying means again minus you will get, this becomes plus. So this also be careful here. Okay, minus calculations. You should be very alert to doing the calculation. 1 into minus 18 plus 15 you will get. Minus 2 into 8 minus 5. So which is equals to 3 minus 1 into minus 3. So plus 3 minus 2 into 3. 6. 6. Sorry, 3. 5 minus 8 minus 5 is 3. So 6 minus 6, which is equals to determinant. So if the determinant of the matrix is 0, then that matrix is called as, if determinant of the matrix is 0, then that matrix is called singular matrix. It is named as singular matrix. And if it is not equals to 0, determinant of any matrix is not equals to 0, then it is called as non-singular matrix. What do we call? It is called as non-singular. So if a matrix is non-singular only, its inverse you can find out. If the matrix is non-singular matrix only, its inverse you can find out. You try to find the inverse of this matrix, you will never find. Even elementary transformations, what we learned in the previous class, using the elementary transformations, you try to find out the inverse of this matrix. You cannot find out. The inverse does not exist for that matrix. The matrix whose determinant is equals to 0, so then its inverse will not exist for that matrix. All the matrices will not have the inverse. ये मैट्रिक्स तो इन्वर्स नहीं होता है बिकॉज डिटर्मिनेंट गॉट इट एज 0. डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होता है तो इन्वर्स नहीं होता है. डू रिमेंबर दैट पॉइंट. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? Whether it is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Who said yes, no? Name?
Sir, me and Ankur. I mean, Debolina and Ankur.
Okay. The remaining problems which are given to you, you can solve it very simple here. So with this first exercise is completed, and you can do it very clearly. And if you have any doubts in the previous classes, let us go for the next chapter in the tomorrow's class, properties of determinants. Based on the properties, we can find the determinants of the different matrices which are given to you having not only numbers. अभी numbers होता है तो easily find out कर. But बिना numbers, other than the numbers, if you have the another some elements if it is given to you, other expressions if it is given to you, also you can find out the determinants in easiest way by using the properties of determinants. Then after using the properties, then you are going to have the adjoint matrix concept. And with the help of the adjoint matrix only, you will be able to find out the inverse of the matrix. Matrix inverse can be found out that one. So actually in the exercise point of view, if you see that this is 4.1, 4.2 exercise is very, very important in the examination point of view. 4.2. What are the problems are there? They are all. But here do remember that we cannot solve that all the problems. We cannot solve all the problems just blindly following the steps not. The situation you need to understand. Okay, while we are solving the problems, let us discuss it very clearly. So now there is no time. Only 3 minutes time is left over. Do you have any doubts? There is a very good strength here today. But still I can get the more. But Shubhankar, is network problem, more network problem. Can you hear a bit?
Yes, sir, we
Is it
can hear you.
audible and visible to you?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Debolina is saying something, but I am not able to hear. What Debolina? Type.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
अभिषेक को तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है एंड अंकुर को भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Yes, it is audible. Debolina said, but you people are not audible to me. What you are saying? You are not audible to me. You said something. Means when you switch on the mic, it's blinking, but not able to hear. Okay. So thank you. And in the next class, let us see here. properties, and try to attend and inform your friends also. And the notes completion is very less here. Chapter 2, exercise 2.2 is there in our syllabus. I have a confusion. Subhankar is having a doubt. See the, I have shared the already clearly to you the syllabus, what the syllabus is given to you. And today again there is a meeting, CBSE is conducting 3 o'clock, there is a meeting to me. I need to attend that meeting also. In that way, the clear cut clarification I will get regarding your syllabus and other things. So all the principals throughout the India will join in that meeting. So I'm going to attend that. So you will get the clear clarification regarding the examination and other details also in that meeting. Okay? Don't worry about that. And thanks for joining, and one by one you can leave.